Hello students, welcome to the Learning Management System. The imprints for General English, Program BSc, Subject English, 4th semester, session number 37. Grammar section, types of interview skills, telephonic interviews, advantages and disadvantages, and samples. Created by Ravi Kumar A, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Aid College, Yelahanka, along with Dr. Suresh SB as ECD. Grammar section, speaking skills, interview skills. In this segment, we are going to discuss about the telephonic interviews. Here we have types of interview skills. There are several types of interview skills: unstructured non-directive interview, structured directive interview, situational interview, behavioral interview, job related interview, stress interview, panel interview, board interview, one-on-one interview, mass interview, group interview, as well as a telephonic interview. Telephonic interview is the latest and recent one added into this top 10 interview skills list. Telephonic interviews. In this segment, as I told, we are going to discuss about telephonic interviews. Many people are now willing to relocate much further from home for the sake of a job, or to work from home rather than be office based. There are also large numbers of applicants for every job. At the same time, many companies are trying to reduce their recruitment costs. As a result, telephone interviews have become more popular. Telephone interviews are often used as the first interview stage to select those to be interviewed face to face. But a telephone interview is still an interview. It is not cozy chat with a friend, but a serious chance for the company to see if you will fit in and are capable of doing the job. Treat it as seriously as you would treat any other job interview. Advantages of telephonic interviews: easier to conduct than face to face interviews, can deliver similar quality data. Multiple points of view can be gathered through multiple interviews can be conducted over a wider geographic scope, even globally. Answers to questions are equally as valid as face to face interviews. Disadvantages of telephonic interviews: respondents have to actually answer the call and can hang up at any time. Behavior and body language cannot be observed. Interviews tend to be shorter than face to face interviews. Cannot use any visual aids to assist in interviewing. Preparing for a telephone interview. Usually during telephone interviews, employers are seeking general high level information about you and your background. You should be prepared to talk about why you are looking for a job, why you are interested in this specific job and company and your background. Each employer has a different set of questions for phone interviews. While many potential employers will make an appointment for a telephone interview, if it is convenient to have an interview right now, do not feel that you need to say yes. If it is really inconvenient, say I am sorry as I have other commitment. Can we fix other time instead? As I would really like to talk to you. You will need to fix the time then that there. You can even say I should be free in that hour 2 hours at 5 p.m. Can I call you back then? And make sure that you take down the number. It is true that you will not be visible to your interviewer unless it is a video interview. Some advisors recommend that you wear smart clothes and sit up straight as if it was a face-to-face interview. As they suggest that this makes you feel and therefore sound more professional. Answer the phone professionally. Don't let yourself zone out or start looking at Facebook or YouTube to concentrate when you have nothing to see. Have a notebook, a paper, and make notes during the questions. This will not only keep you focused and listening, but also help you check whether you have answered the questions. Towards end of a telephone interview, it is important to continue to focus on your tone of voice and sounding enthusiastic about the process. Sample interview questions with suggested ways of answers. Tell me about yourself. Your chance to introduce qualifications, you good work habits, and etc. Keep it to mostly work and career related. Why do you want to leave your current job? Be careful with this. Avoid trashing other employers and making statements. What are your strengths? Point out your positive attributes related to the job. What are your weaknesses? Everybody has weaknesses. Try to point out a couple of weaknesses that the interviewer might see as a strength. Every weakness offer a strength and compensates for it. How would you describe yourself? Answer with the positive work oriented adjectives such as hardworking, honest, cautious, plus a brief description or example of why each fits you well. What do you know about our company? To answer this one, search the company before you interview. Why do you want to work for us? The question 7. Why do you want to work for us? Same as about research the company before you interview. Why should I hire you? Point out your positive attributes related to job and the good job you have done in the past. Include any compliments you have received from management. What makes you want to work hard? Naturally, material rewards such as salary and benefits came into play, but again, focus more on achievement and the satisfaction you derive from it. What types of work environment do you like best? Tell your answer to the job. You enjoy being a team player when needed, but also enjoy working independently. Why do you want this job? To help you answer this and related questions, study the job and in advance. What qualifies you for this job? Share your skills, experience, education, and other qualifications, especially those that match the job description well. Here we have reference slide where you can draw more information about the telephonic conversation as well as interviews, which can help you. Thank you.